Alam mo ba yung next interview natin, isa sa mga advocacies ng grupo nila ay syempre, mas lalong palaguin yung culture and the arts ng ating bansa. Kaya naman ngayong umaga, Carla, makakasama natin ngayon yung isang student leader, syempre yung kanilang project director, para sa magaganap na 56th Annual National Convention for Teacher Advisors and Junior Members na gaganapin sa Baguio. Kaya makakasama natin unang-una from CMLI, ang project director ng CMLI, walang iba kundi si Professor Joey Dividina. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
At syempre, ang president ng CMLI Junior Council National Executive Board, walang iba kundi si Renzo Relente. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so to start off, syempre, Sir and Enzo, no, para mas maging aware yung lahat ng mga boss natin, ano ba ang CMLI? Anong mga ginagawa nito?
Ang CMLI talaga ay isang avenue para i-hone yung talents ng mga bata. Meron silang mga tinatawag na multiple intelligences like leadership skills, creativity, and other skills that are not yet discovered. And I think ang CMLI is an avenue for us to provide. So some students really are too shy sa school. They are not discovered yet. And I think CMLI is open to all. Even the most shy, this is an avenue for them to be developed, for us to motivate, and then make them become productive.
Ayan. Siguro tanungin natin yung presidente ngayon ng CMLI. So ito ay isang youth organization. Ano-ano ba yung mga proyekto na meron kayo?
And, bukod dun sa annual convention ang gaganapin next week, yung CMLI nag-organize din siya ng mga national debate tournaments, ng mga competitions. Ito yung tinatawag natin Kayaw, yung sa competitions. Then yung Balboa Cup naman yung kakaganap lang ng 20th Balboa Cup nung August. And bukod dito, nag-organize din tayo ng mga leadership trainings. Meron din tayong summer convention tsaka graders convention.
Okay. So meron silang annual event. This October, starting October 23 to 27, gaganapin sa Teachers Camp ang Annual National Convention of Junior Members and Teacher Advisors. So it's an annual event. Ano ba yung usual na flow of activities na nagaganap sa event na to?
To add to what Enzo said, meron pa siyang hindi nabanggit, meron din kaming tinatawag na Voices in Harmony.
Yes.
Dito ang mga skills sa singing ng mga estudyante natin, ito ay talagang ini-sponsor ng Junior Council National Executive Board. Wow. And then we also have itong Sigabo. Ito naman yung mga oral communication skills ng bata in Filipino. Yes. And taon-taon may iba-ibang mga theme, may piyesa silang ini-interpret nila. And ito ay ini-sponsor ng Junior Council Regional Executive Board.
Okay.
So, ang alumni, yung mga produkto natin, ay yun talaga ang nagpupush nito, lalo na yung Voices in Harmony.
Okay, so napakaraming mga activities. So, Voices in Harmony, Sigabo, Choral Elocution Competition.
Yes.
And of course, this coming week, this week, Thursday, Annual National Convention. So, gaya nga nabanggit ko kanina, ano ba yung mga ine-expect ng mga delegates natin for this, Enzo?
Sa annual convention, magkakaroon tayo ng symposia, competitions for excellence and entertainment. Then magkakaroon tayo ng workshops na i-hold ng iba't ibang mga credible speakers. Then, bukod dito, magkakaroon tayo ng ceremonies, ng literary musical, ng commission discussions. Yan. Yung commission discussions yung pinaka-heart ng convention. Kasi dito natin tinuturo yung theme dun sa mga delegates.
Ayun.
So, nasabi ni Enzo, Carla, yung theme. So, ano ba yung theme for this convention? Para siyempre, alam ng mga boss natin kung ano yung ine-expect nila na pag-uusapan dyan sa Baguio.
Yung theme natin, Say Yes, Bolstering Passion for Excellence by Raising Standards for Global Competence through the Filipino Youth in Action.
Naku, ano kaya yan? Dapat talaga dumalo ang mga estudyante dyan. Pero sino-sino po ba ang participants?
Yung mga participants natin ay all high school students.
Okay.
From private and public schools all throughout the country. And ang maraming mga participants dito lalo na ay from Mindanao.
Wow.
And ang pinaka-highest delegate so far is yung dito naman sa Bicol, yung Aquinas University.
Aquinas.
Ang pinaka-maraming participation sila. By the way, doon sa workshops and symposia ng mga bata, simultaneous doon, yung mga teacher advisors, meron din silang training seminar. And dito, equipped sila with the latest trends in the teaching, classroom management, para pagbalik nila sa kanilang schools, ayun, equipped na sila how really to teach, lalo na yung K-12 natin, yung bagong curriculum natin.
Yes.
So aside from the students, yung mga teachers,
Oo
meron
nga,
din
may
opportunity
seminar. Yes, that's
para
right.
syempre mag-usap-usap sila doon. So siguro maganda pag-usapan pa natin, palalimin pa natin yung usapin hinggil sa theme. So you want for this year to go global with CMLI. So why go global? Is it for the preparation for the integration this January or what?
Partly, it's part of an integration. You know, we are not just concentrating on local. We have to go higher level, and this is global competitiveness.
Yes.
And we cannot reach that point if we are not going to ignite the passion for excellence. And with this, we also raise the standards of the Filipino youth. And with this, I think if we are not going to unearth the skills of the students, they are just concentrating on mediocrity. I think our goal for global competitiveness would be an impossible dream. So, ito yung aming objective, the passion for excellence.
Okay. So, Carla, yun yung galing sa perspective ng isang professor. Pero from the youth, especially first year college ka ngayon, di ba? From kakagraduate mo lang from high school. So, ano yung responsibility sa tingin mong kailangan gawin ng kabataan para syempre ma-reach tong big goal na to? Kasi going
global
global
na
is
oo.
big, di ba? So, ano yung magiging hakbang dapat ng kabataan para makamit yun?
Actually, ito nga ituturo natin dun sa mga delegates natin. Na kailangan natin na yung passion natin sa excellence, ng sarili nating standards bilang mga Pilipino, dapat doon magsisimula. Kasi mula doon, kasi tayong mga Pilipino, magaling naman tayo. Marami tayong talents, resources, skills. Kailangan lang nating i-hone to. Tsaka kailangan nating isipin na, okay, kaya natin maging globally competent. So, yun.
Ayan, ako. Ito ay sa Thursday na at pupunta ka dito,
Yes,
no,
in behalf
Jules?
of PTV.
Oo. At si Jules, isa din po itong produkto ng CMLI. Siyempre gusto natin tanungin si Professor, sino-sino pa po ba yung mga sikat na leaders ngayon na produkto po ng CMLI?
Ang pinaka-latest big catch of CMLI, siya talaga ang minold namin na siya ay nagiging great siya. He's a very important figure now in this country. He is none other than the Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Godofredo Catapang Jr. He is also an alumnus of Claret School of Quezon City.
Kung saan din tayo galing. Pati kapatid mo, Carla.
Oo nga.
Yan. If we are watching this Asia Apprentice, tatlo doon ang nag-compete. At one is from a Filipino. His name is Jonathan Yabot. He is from Letran. Siya din ay produkto ng
that's
CMLI. So, name it, iba-ibang mga fields, we have products of CMLI. They will always say, ay, produkto ako ng CMLI. Ay, produkto ako ng CMLI. So, see, we are so proud na CMLI training has produced great men in their respective career.
Even Direk Ed Finlan, kabilang siya sa
talaga?
mga nakipagtrabaho dati sa CMLI. So siya ang maging keynote speaker for this convention. So aakit din si Sir Ed ngayong October. So before we end, of course, we need to invite our yung mga kabataan natin na makiisa dito sa convention na to. So please invite the youth to join this convention this Thursday.
Again, we would like to invite everyone, all high school student leaders na pumunta sa 56th Annual National Convention na sa darating na October 23 to 27 sa Teachers Camp Baguio City. And we promise na isa tong sobrang life-changing experience and marami kayong matututunan mula dito.
And also, I would like to encourage school leaders, teachers, even the principals, to push through their talented students to attend this convention. In 1 year, we have 3 conventions. We have the summer camp and workshop every summer. This is vacation. There is no conflict. Then every September, it's for graders. And every October, it's for high school. So, this is open to all.
Okay.
All officers of even of organizations, it's open to all. See you there in Baguio, Teachers Camp.
Alright, syempre, see you there in Baguio this Thursday, Sir and Enzo. At syempre, babalitaan ko kayo dito pagbalik
Oo
natin
naman.
kung ano yung mga naganap sa Baguio, na magaganap sa Baguio. Okay, muli nakasama natin ang Project Director ng CMLI, walang iba kundi si Professor Joey Dividina, at ang Presidente ng CMLI Junior Council National Executive Board, walang iba kundi si Renzo Relente.
Ayan, so good luck sa darating yung convention this week.